Hey everyone, and welcome back to our ISI video channel where we discuss various topics related to international students. Today we have Morrison Kwong from our office in China to explain a little bit more about insurance for H1B visa holders. Morrison, thank you so much for joining us. Before we delve into insurance for H1B visa holders, we'd love to know a little bit more about you and what all you do for us here at ISI.
Thanks for having me, Sally. I'm a little bit nervous as this is the first time being on the ISI video channel. Hello everyone, my name is Morrison and I was born and raised in Hong Kong. I went to the United States when I was 15 as an international student, graduated high school and university in Florida, then joined the ISI in 2012. I moved back to Hong Kong afterwards and lived in Xiamen, China ever since, while I still work for ISI as the marketing manager. I manage a number of group clients as well as handling customer services for those who need Chinese assistance and promote ISI business in Asia.
Thanks, Morrison. There's no doubt that you do so much at ISI, and we wouldn't be able to have such a presence in the Asian market without you. Now, visitors coming to the US come on all types of visas. Can you tell us what kind of visitors typically obtain an H1B visa?
So H1B Visa is a non-immigrant visa issued to individuals working in specialty occupation that require technical or theoretical expertise and requires the visa holder to have at least a bachelor degree or its equivalent. International students who are going to finish their OPT period would typically apply for H1B visa if they wish to continue working in the United States. H1B visa is basically the working visa which allows non-immigrant to stay in the United States in a legal status while working for a US company.
Great. Thank you for explaining exactly what an H1B visa is. It sounds like it's definitely the visa that you want to have if you're wanting to work here in the United States without being a US citizen or a green card holder. Now, how does it typically work for obtaining a health insurance plan on an H1B visa?
There are a few options for H1B visa holders to obtain an insurance plan. The first option would be through your employer. Since you're working for a US company, most likely the company does provide health insurance to their employees, including foreign workers on H1B visa, like yourself. If your employer does not offer insurance or the price is too high, you also have the choice, which your second option of buying an insurance plan is on the marketplace, which is the healthcare.gov website. The third option would be buying a short-term insurance plan so you are not uninsured in the United States.
Okay, thank you. So having the option to be included on your employer's plan is obviously great news. However, if insurance is not offered through an employer or there is a gap in coverage, can you explain some of the pros and cons of buying a health insurance plan from the marketplace that is ACA compliant versus maybe buying a short-term plan option or a non-ACA compliant plan?
So the pros for buying a health insurance plan from the marketplace that is ACA compliant is going to give you the most robust coverage. The cons will be that you might not be able to get anything from the marketplace since there is an enrollment period and the pricing of the ACA compliant plan is quite expensive. As for the cons on the short terms or non-ACA compliant plan, you can enroll them at any time, anywhere, and they are more affordable and customizable to suit your needs. The con would be that you might need to pay a penalty if you live in the following states: California, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Jersey, or the District of Columbia. The ACA individual mandate penalty was removed as of 2019, so it is no longer a federal penalty. But these states mentioned above still impose a penalty on residents who are not insured with the ACA compliant plans.
So it sounds like there's more options these days, considering that there's no longer a tax penalty at the federal level for a non-ACA compliant plan. But for certain states, like you had mentioned, you still do want to keep those state penalties in mind. Now, could you elaborate a little bit more on the short-term plan options that are available, and what would you recommend specifically?
Our Patriot Travel America and Atlas America plans would be excellent short-term plan option for H1B visa holders to apply. Both plans are designed to cover new eligible injury or illnesses and provide COVID-19 coverage. Both plans also allow you to flexibility to choose your maximum coverage limit from $50,000 up to $2 million and deductible from 0 up to $5,000. So you can choose the levels of coverage you need that are within your budget. You can also purchase the plan from as little as 5 days up to 364 days to meet the gap that you need coverage for.
So those both sound like great options, whether it's for gap coverage, like you mentioned, or for more long-term coverage if insurance is unavailable through your employer, or you're just looking for a cheaper option. So how does it work for the family members of H1B visa holders or their dependents?
Both our Patriot Travel America and Atlas America plan will offer coverage for dependents. We also have more robust plan options such as our major medical plan, which could work as well if you missed the enrollment period for an ACA compliant plan. Regardless, you will want to compare the benefits and quotes to an ACA compliant plan, as it may be a better fit to go the route of having an ACA compliant plan through the marketplace. The good news is there are plenty of options out there for you to choose from.
Great advice. Thank you, Morrison. Before we go, is there anything else that you would like to add, or maybe some additional tips that you'd like to provide?
That's pretty much sum up the variety of options to choose from. For more information, please visit our website and run a free quote. If you need further clarification or would like assistance in finding which path to take, we recommend you contact our customer service team, as they are always happy to assist with any questions you may have and can help with your insurance application or generate a quote for you.
Absolutely. Well, we enjoyed having you, and thank you so much, Morrison. We appreciate all of your insight on this. And like Morrison mentioned, you can always contact our customer service team with any questions. Thank you so much for joining us again, and we will see you all next time.
It was a pleasure, and thanks for inviting me to do this discussion. Bye everyone. 再见. See you all next time. Bye, Sally.